Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Magai AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Magai AI account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address magai.co and hit on enter. And after that you'll be redirected to the home page of Magai AI. So let's wait for it. And here guys, this is the home page of Magai. Now in order to sign into your Magai AI account or log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen guys, you can see the login button available for us. Simply click on that login button first, and you'll be directed to the sign in page of Magai. So let's wait for it. And over here guys, let's enter our email address. But before that guys, you need to know, I think this is a manual sign in process where there is automated sign in process or the login process. If you click on the login with Google button available over here, a login page to your Google account will open. And if you sign into your Google account over there, you won't have to log into your Magai AI account with your email address or your password. You can just log in with your Google. And with that being said guys, for a manual login, simply enter your email address with which you had created an account on the Magai. And after that, enter your password over here guys. But guys, if you forgotten your password, you can always set it or retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a process where you'll be able to reset your Magai AI account's password. And with that being said guys, entering your email address and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Magai AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.